Welcome to the Revit Academy, and today's session is going to be on how to place doors in a curtain wall system. If you try placing a door in a normal wall, it will automatically go into the right place. If you try to put the door into the curtain wall, it's not having it. So how do we put the door in? First of all, we need to select the panel, glass panel, and as you can see, I've already loaded a door in previously, but loaded in a door before, so I'm going to show you how to load in doors. So if you go into the insert, load family, go into the curtain wall panels, you'll have a multiple selection of doors. Choose one door, load it in, hover over the glass panel, press tab, select it, and the glass door that you loaded in, select that, and using your spacebar or clicking on the arrow, you can navigate the door back and forth. So there you go. You can create custom doors if you want, that's up to you. Or you can download the doors from door suppliers, door manufacturers. I hope this video has been very useful and you've learned something. And please, can you subscribe to the channel, like and comment on the video as well? That'll be much appreciated. Thank you very much.